Hello, fellow gardeners. Today, we will deal with a topic that is very current among gardeners. I have something special for you. Welcome to our channel, where we share the best tips for growing and caring for your plants. Today, we will deal with a very important topic, feeding peppers and protecting them from diseases. If you want your peppers to be healthy, juicy, and full of flavor, stay with us until the end, as we reveal the secret ingredient that will make your garden lush and productive like never before. In addition, we will share an interesting fact about peppers that you probably did not know. Dear friends, before we reveal the secret ingredient, you have time to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel. It's completely free. And write us in the comments where you are watching us from and how you like this video. Proper feeding of plants is essential for their growth and development. Peppers are particularly demanding when it comes to nutrition because they need a lot of nutrients to produce large and tasty fruits. If they don't get enough nutrients, the peppers can be prone to diseases and the fruits can be smaller and less tasty. That's why it's important to know how to properly feed your plants. One of the biggest challenges in growing peppers are diseases. Blight, powdery mildew, and black spot are just some of the diseases that can destroy your plants. Regular protection and proper nutrition can significantly reduce the risk of these diseases. Today, we will share with you natural methods that will help you protect your peppers in an efficient way. Pepper top dressing requires a balance between nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, but also the addition of micronutrients such as calcium, magnesium, and iron. Organic fertilizers, compost, and manure are excellent sources of nutrients for peppers. However, there is one secret ingredient that can do wonders for your plants, and we'll reveal it at the end of the video. Did you know that peppers originate from Central and South America and were first cultivated by the ancient Aztecs and Mayans? Peppers arrived in Europe in the 16th century and have since become a favorite ingredient in many cuisines around the world. Another interesting fact is that paprika is not only tasty, but also very healthy. It is rich in vitamin C, even more than oranges. And now, the moment you've all been waiting for. We reveal the secret ingredient that will make your peppers healthy and strong. It's about baking soda. Yes, baking soda can be extremely useful in protecting peppers from disease. Here's how you can use it. Take 1 tablespoon of baking soda. Dissolve it in 1 liter of water. Add a few drops of liquid soap for better adhesion to the leaves. Spray the plants with this solution every 2 weeks to protect them from fungal diseases such as powdery mildew. Baking soda creates an alkaline environment on the surface of the leaves that is not suitable for the development of fungi. We hope you found this video useful and interesting. If you have any questions or want to share your experiences, please leave a comment below. Dear friends, send this video to your friends on social media, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Until next time, happy gardening.